Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your Google Slides and turn them into an automatically narrated video quickly and easily using a cool tool called Narakeet. Let's go ahead and take a look at how this works. So first of all, I have my sample Google Slides here, and you'll notice that I have my speaker notes written out for exactly what I want to say when each slide is presented. So we'll go to this slide and we'll see my speaker notes there, and we'll see our speaker notes down here as well. And it's really important that you have speaker notes in your slides. Now let's go to the File menu in Google Slides, and we're going to download these as a PowerPoint file. Now you don't have to have PowerPoint installed on your computer in order to download a PowerPoint file. So if you're using a Chromebook, you can still do this. If you're using a MacBook, you can still do this. You don't have to have PowerPoint installed. Now I'm going to go to Narakeet, and what I'm going to do here is create a video from a presentation. So select presentation and make sure you sign in to your account, as I forgot to do there. You can see I'm just going to use my Google account here to sign in. We'll see there's my account. Now I'm going to upload my file. And there's my sample social science lesson. And we're going to upload that and import it into Narakeet. While this is importing, I should point out that if you have a lot of transitions or animations in your slides, Narakeet won't handle those very well. So I recommend removing any transitions or animations before you upload into Narakeet. We'll see there's slide 2 of 3. And now we can create the video, or we go into edit settings, and in here we can change the language. I'm going to use English US. I can change the voice. There's a ton of different voices you can try out. Just hit that play button, you can listen to them. We can adjust the speed and the volume, and we can change out the background music, or over here, we can even go and upload music. However, make sure the music you upload is copyright friendly music, so it's Creative Commons licensed or public domain licensed. Now let's select our subtitle option. I'm going to say overlay always visible and create my video. Now it's going to load up everything. It's going to record narration automatically for me, and when it's done, it will create an MP4 file that I can download and use anywhere that I want to, and that process will just take a couple of minutes. So now we have my video here, and let's play it.
Welcome, class. This is a lesson about social emotional learning. I hope.
Now, if there's anything about the video that I don't like, I can just go back and improve the video and change the voices, change the display of the subtitles, or change out the speed at which it plays back. But I'm happy with mine, so I'm going to click the download button, and it's going to create an MP4 file you can see right there on my computer that I can then use anywhere I would typically distribute a video, including uploading it to YouTube or Vimeo. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.